Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. I want to let you guys know something. This is what this happened on this floor in a mobile home. The refrigerator leaked because this is where the refrigerator was, and if you notice, they're just patching it where they thought the most damage was, or maybe the floor was totally caved in. Quite a while back. I've been by here a month ago, or something like that. But if you notice, it's actually stained all the way back, all the way around. Since I was here last, this area has went down, this area has went up. If you look around this way, this area has swelled up, and it will continue to deteriorate. Now you can cover this up, and it'll work for a while, but this will continue to swell up, do whatever, up or down. It will eventually fall apart, and it will be a bad idea to try to just leave it. You need to take that out, and I guess they're making a decision not to do it, but you should not. You need to take this material out, put something else in. If you suspect you might have this problem again, paint. After you've installed it, seal up the cracks and paint. It don't matter if it's stain or anything, whatever you have, paint the floor everywhere that you can, because that will keep, like if that sink overflows, which it has, if you look down here, see how it's all swelled up, this particle board? See how the water has run down and soaked in right here? And this is paper covered cabinets. This are things that you have to be smart about. You don't want to have to deal with constant taking your floor up, because it's expensive if you don't do it yourself. Even if you do it yourself, it's money you don't want to spend. So paint the floor when you have particle board. It's not a bad idea with doing it when you have plywood too. Be keeping that in mind. Replace your floor everywhere it got wet, because it's the glues they put it together with is water soluble. When water gets it, that's it. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you learned something with that. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.